What is up, y'all? Unfortunately, we had a large turn of events this morning, a bunch of setbacks. Unexpected things happen. We're not able to go on our trip. That was supposed to last about a week long. Instead, we're here at our gym. We're gonna try to catch up on shoulder and arm day because that's what our friend Jameel has done today already. Yeah, just trying not to focus on the negatives here, focus on the positives. We're here at the gym. Literally only had 2 more days of membership here, so luckily I was able to sneak by it and gonna hit this workout strong. I'm not with anybody at the moment, but I've brought my tripod, so try to film workout footage that way. It'll be definitely a new approach and excited to do it. See you guys during the workout. What is up, guys? Just finished our workout. Felt a great pump. I think it was kind of pushed by the fact that the gym was closing and I had to kind of speed through the workout. Got less rest, a bit of hypertrophy there, got the blood pumping, the muscles pumping a bit more, so definitely need to try this out again. Gym closing hours actually worked in our favor this time. See you guys for the outdoor portion. What is up, guys? We're out here about to start the outdoor portion of today. Just gonna be walking on this trail, more of a hiking trail that I used to come on a lot when I was little growing up here. Should be fairly relaxing, time to decompress, de-wind from things that happened throughout the day, just clear my mind a bit. Look forward to it. Try to take some nice shots. I know there's a stream up ahead, not too far into the trail, so make sure to film that. See you guys there. As we're walking up this hiking trail right now, forgot to mention something noteworthy. We're particularly doing a hike right now because tomorrow is our leg day rotation once again, so just loosening up those legs, getting them ready for a big pump tomorrow should be a good time. is up, yo? We're here near the stream, feeling a lot better, just getting the nature in, fresh air. Yeah, feels so much better than I did at the beginning of this walk. Honestly, a bit of a nostalgia trip for me. I used to come here all the time as a kid. My parents kind of forced me to. Didn't really enjoy it then, but just taking it in now, it is so damn beautiful here. I'm so grateful and blessed to be able to say I would come here all the time as a kid. It's honestly so gorgeous. Honestly, not much has changed about this place. Still looks just as beautiful. Yeah, an amazing way to spend a 45-minute hike. Get the legs loose, get this part of the commitment done. Felt absolutely awesome. I remember walking through this part of the trail when I was a kid, feeling so relieved that it was finally over. Nowadays, I think things like this hiking trail honestly leave me feeling so at peace, just amidst all the responsibility and duty of adult life. Probably why my parents liked it so much. But yeah, I felt super at peace during this hike. Can't wait to do another like this. See you guys on the next vlog.